Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing a wide range of oil pressing machines, including those specifically engineered for processing cotton seeds. Their state-of-the-art facilities ensure that every piece of equipment is crafted with precision and durability in mind. Whether you're looking for small-scale or large-scale operations, their versatile product line caters to various production capacities. One of the key advantages of choosing Henan Zhongrui Machinery is their commitment to innovation. By incorporating cutting-edge technology into their machinery, they offer solutions that maximize yield while minimizing energy consumption. This not only benefits the environment but also helps businesses achieve greater profitability. Additionally, their team of experts provides comprehensive after-sales support, from installation and training to ongoing maintenance. For anyone seeking reliable and efficient cottonseed oil extraction equipment, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited is undoubtedly an excellent choice. Their dedication to quality, customer satisfaction, and technological advancement makes them a standout option in the global market. If you're ready to invest in top-tier machinery that will enhance your production capabilities,